So what's up guys, how's it going? So hope you're all having a great day today. I know it's been a while for those who follow me on my channel and everything, but I believe last week on my Facebook page, my own personal one, I went ahead and posted I was going to do a live Q&A, right? But I actually thought it was better just to put it on my YouTube channel and just show it on Facebook, right? But yeah, I pretty much asked a couple of questions and I have the phone here with the questions and so forth. So let's go ahead and get to it. And for those who are barely watching for the first time, my name is Joseph, and pretty much I like to do like random videos here and there. And this is your first time watching, don't hesitate to give me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel as well. I would really appreciate that, and if you guys want that, I could also do like a little giveaway for the people that do like it and do subscribe, like a $10 Starbucks card and so forth, right? Or from Dunkin' Donuts, right? So if you guys like that idea, let me know down in the comments, and we could definitely do that every week, right? A new video every week, a new raffle every week for a chance to win $10, right? For a gift card, right? But yeah, so let's go ahead and get straight into it here. So this was by Checo. It shows here, who has more shot, Luis Contreras or Checo? To be honest, man, I remember in middle school, we're playing Basilito Lindo Park with Aaron Mesa, Vaca, Mark, and all them, right? And I remember we were playing horse, and Luis just made all the shots, bro. He never missed, right? And don't get me wrong, it's different from an actual court, but he never missed. And I've seen you miss a couple of times at the rec, bro. To you, Checo, at time you, I ain't gonna lie, bro. But the next question here is by Chidas. Can you explain how TMNT started back in PS3? Would be cool, thanks. So what he means by that, for those that don't know, TMNT is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, right? So back in the PS3 days, when I believe Call of Duty World at War came out, me, Chidas, Joe, David, we all had a clan. We made a clan, TMNT, and I don't know how the name started. I guess because we were 4, and the turtles are 4 of them. I guess that's how we started, and we all had like each different color coded and everything. So it was pretty cool, man. Back in the day, PS3, I was like maybe 6 years ago, 8 years ago, probably like 10 years ago. Good times though, good times. So Erica Solis, she's asking, what happened to your Insta? Inquiring minds want to know. So there's actually a reason why I went off of Instagram. No big reason though, but I just wanted to get off from the platform since it's really negative, and a lot of negative thoughts and vibes, and just a lot of stuff creeps into your mind, right? And another thing is procrastination, right? There's stories, there's explore, a bunch of things, IGTV, right? And you just keep on looking at every single story, and you just keep on going through there, and before you know it, you spend like easily 30 minutes on it. And I'm not about that. I don't like wasting my time on social media. So ever since I did that, I noticed that my my daily activity on the phone, like of how much hours I spent on my phone, it used to be like at 5 hours, and now I reduced it to about 2.5 to 3 hours per day. And hopefully by the end of this year, I want to just keep it at below 3 on average per week, every day, right? So that's the reason why ultimately I got rid of Instagram, but I should be coming back with it in a couple of months, and there's a reason for that as well, and y'all should find out sooner or later. Mike Silva asking, favorite basketball memory, was it when Manny Cortina, Checo, and I beat you on a 3-on-3? Well, that is true. They did beat me, Beto, Adrian, and that Henny's on a 3-on-3 basketball intramurals there at Tamio. It was, I believe, my second year. there's a reason for it, you know. They beat us twice, you know, back to back, because we were in the winners bracket, they were in the losers bracket, so there was double elimination, so they had to beat us twice, and they did beat us twice in a row, right? But the reason for it, like, I don't know if somebody from their team got hurt, or they had this girl on the team, right? And you know, at that time I was guarding her, and I didn't want to take advantage. Like, that's not how I roll. You know, so I was letting her score a couple of points, then all you know, as she starts dishing some threes, I'm like, holy, like they ended up beating us 2 in a row, and at that time I was pretty sucky, I'm not gonna lie. If I was in the same situation right now, I would have blocked every single day. Yeah, that's pretty much all the questions I had today. If you guys have any questions that you guys want to ask me, I'll do another Q&A, hopefully by the next week, right? If I get enough questions, of course. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. I do want to thank you guys for whoever stayed here to the end. Thank you so much. Leave some, show some love in the comments below. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe and like my video. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Take care.